Rahimi, and I'm a PhD student in machine learning and data science. Today we are going to show a demo of sentiment analysis system with a fine-tuned custom model, which I fine-tuned with IMDb dataset and Llama 3 model. And we showed this demo with API development and backend and testing, and also with React UI design or front end. So let's take a look at what we have done. Here we see the model training, model fine-tuning. First of all, we install the libraries we need, like transformers, dataset, evaluate, and then we load the dataset from Kaggle, which is IMDb dataset. And here you can see the review and sentiments. And here we have a kind of pre-processing the data and encoding the data. Here we have an info of the data set and how many reviews we have, how many sentiment or label we have. And here we do tokenization, and we chose Distilbert for tokenizer, and here the model also is Distilbert is uncased for fine-tuning. And here we have the torch kind of library for converting the labels and dataset to torch tensor. As you can see, we have here one sample of the trained dataset and test dataset and one label here. And in this block, we have the fine-tuning model, parameters, number of the epochs, learning rates, and whatever we have. And then we compute the metrics. Because of the limited access to the GPU, I just trained it for 2 epochs, but we can see the loss for the validation and training loss, accuracy, precision, recall, and F-score. As you can see, it's increasing. So if we train it even for a longer period of time, for a couple of, for example, 10 epochs or 7 epochs, it shows really promising fine-tuning. And here we save the model, as you can see, and then we log into Hugging Face and push the model to Hugging Face. As you can see here in this address, you can find the model with 2 versions. This is the version 2, and I uploaded another version also, which works really better. And here we have the link to the Hugging Face, and here we have the link to my GitHub repository and all the instruction and explanation and description of the models, how to run it, how to test it, and the rest of that. Okay, let's now go to the folders we have for backend and frontend. For backend, we have this files, requirement app.py and test API, and this is for just instruction. So if we open this one, app.py, we can see how we called FastAPI, and we use this for calling the models, Llama and custom model. And we now together test the API and to see how it works. Okay, so let's come here, cd documents. We need to go to that directory from here, and then okay, here we need to call the app.py with this command, and load the model. Then we will open another terminal shell, and from here we can call C document sentiment analysis and cd backend. And from here we can write down Python test api.py to see how it works. Okay, I print out both of the models which with one sample, but you can try different kind of sentences or different kind of models, so it's up to you which model you choose. So this is for the backend, and here is the requirement to install the packages, which all of these instructions are given in the GitHub repository. So let's go back to sentiment analysis. UI. In this one, we need to test them here with this, and from here we go from this link URL, we open the link, and from here we see the UI design, and we can write down any sentences we want. I like this product. Let's see, with Llama it gives 0.9 confidence score and it's positive. Let's change this to hate. It's again negative and 0.9, and then we can change it to custom model with this one, which is this confidence score is 1, which shows a really good performance of the model. And we can change this also to like, and with Llama, with Llama it says it's positive, but with this confidence score, so both of them shows really good performance. So for testing the model also with curl and Postman, we can use this command for curl, and we can choose the model here. We now here choose Llama, and for Llama it says it's positive and confidence score is 0.9. What if we change here Llama to custom? So it's 0.99% positive with the model, because the model fine-tuned on a specific data set and a huge data set for sentiment analysis. It shows the performance of the fine-tuned model is really better than Llama, but again it depends on the version of the Llama and what kind of models you use. And then the other one is Postman. The only thing you need to do is just press new here and just paste the URL here and show post here, and then it needs to just choose a raw here from none to raw and give a test and model, and then you can see the output here. Then we just press send and it shows. We can change what we want here. I hate the product, so it's negative, and 0.99% is the confidence score. What if we choose Llama? It said it's negative but 0.9, so that's the way of testing the APIs with different kind of method like Postman, curl, and Python script, which we test all of them. And thank you for listening. And based on the codes and APIs. You can change the models, the sentence you want to find or predict the sentiment, if it's positive or negative, and all the codes and configs are here, and you can find it out on GitHub repository. And thank you for listening. Have a good day.